Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change and save views in Asana. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Asana account, which of course you have done right here. And then the next thing, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an account in Asana. The first thing I would like you to do is to launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type asana.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Asana. Once you get to the official website, all you need to do is to follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And once you're done creating your account successfully, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Asana. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to change and save views in Asana. What does this imply? It implies that you can now change how you view your project, and of course you can save it as default. So you like to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have home, my tags, inbox, reporting, portfolio, goals, and of course your project. So go ahead and click on the project that you want to work on. So this is my project and my default view is board. What are my views, by the way? Head over to this top corner. Now list is your first view. So this is the first view on this list. So this is listed form. Of course, you can see how you can manage this project this way. You can see your assignee, your due date, your priority, your status. You can even add more, of course, fields, and you can just manage everything from a broader perspective. Now, the next view is board. So this is the board, right? So here you can, of course, you can come over here to assign tags. Of course, you can go over here to add sub tags. So just click on that. And then you see all of these options available right here using the board view. You can even add more tags. All right. Under this, and you can track to doing done. So this is more restricted. All right. This is how you can track this in the board view. And then you have timeline. All right. So you can now, of course, know what time or what timestamp has been accrued to a particular project, and then you will now be able to, of course, if this says click anywhere to create tags, you can now position your tags, and then you have this timelines and see if your projects are actually, or your tags are meeting the deadline. And then you have calendar. All right, so this is just your calendar. We can have your projects, and then you can share it to different calendars. So you have this, all right, this list. You have board, you have timeline. So these are three views, of course, how you can see and manage all of your project. So this is how you can change your views. All right, so you can change your views. Sometimes you use all of them. All right, I really use a timeline because I've not started adding timestamps to my tags yet. So if you want to save a particular view, so I can just save this board as my default view by just clicking on the three dots menu close to it, and then just click on set as default. It's already default. It has already been set to default. So if I can click on this list and click on the three dots menu, and I click on so I click on that, and then I click on set as default. It means this has been saved as my default view. All right, so anyone who opens it is going to see this project as a list. Well, I just want this board to be my default, so I'm just going to change it to this board. So this is pretty much the process. It's how you can change and save views, all right, in Asana. You can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.